Hi everyone, welcome to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making Pastel De Nata Portuguese egg tarts. They may look simple, but making them truly delicious is a challenge. Make sure to watch until the end before you start. It will help you get them right on the first try. We will use egg tart shells. If you cannot find egg tart shells, you can use puff pastry instead. Eggs, milk, sugar, single cream, and condensed milk. A container with a spout is recommended to pour the egg tart mixture. Add 75 grams of milk and 15 grams of sugar. The exact custard measurements are shown on the screen. This is a quantity for 6 egg tarts. Sugar not only adds sweetness but also helps with browning. You can reduce the amount as needed, but using less than 12 grams may prevent those signature caramelized from forming on the top. 1 egg. If you prefer a particular golden color, you can replace the egg with 2 egg yolks. 55 grams single cream and 8 grams condensed milk. Gently mix with a whisk. Do not overmix or use an electric mixture, as excessive air in the mixture will cause it to become honeycomb-like when baked. Sift the prepared mixture 2 to 3 times for a smoother texture. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. The baking method for the oven version will be shown at the end of this video. During this time, separate the egg tart shells. Once preheated, place the shells in the air fryer and fill them 90% full with the custard. Handle the basket gently to prevent the custard from spilling. Additionally, baking immediately after preparation. If left too long, the pastry shell will become soggy and lose their crispness. Set the timer for 12 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Start checking them during the last 5 minutes. When brownish spots appear, they are done. The entire baking time is 9 to 12 minutes. Be careful to not burn your hands when taking them out. Now you have crispy Portuguese egg tarts with a soft, sticky center. And you can also add chocolate, blueberries, or strawberries to create your own unique flavor. Check out more recipes on my channel and do not forget to subscribe. Bon appetit and see you next time.